In modern agriculture, few animals have a story as surprising as the water buffalo. To most people, the water buffalo is just a slow, lumbering creature standing in a muddy pond or grazing quietly in the sweltering heat. But behind that placid image lies a global industry that currently raises more than 205 million buffalo and turns their milk and meat into high-value products sold across international markets. From rural villages to cutting-edge processing plants, this single animal supports jobs, food security, and a rapidly growing demand for premium milk and lean red meat. What makes this all the more surprising is how far the buffalo has come in modern agriculture. The same animals that once helped farmers plow their fields now provide the rich white milk used to create one of Europe's most iconic cheeses, mozzarella di bufala. In some regions, a dairy buffalo can cost as much as a luxury car, thanks to its ability to produce milk with superior fat and protein content. How did this transformation happen, and what hidden characteristics of buffalo milk have made it such a valuable cheese? In this video, we'll explore the buffalo's journey step by step. We'll start on farms, where nutrition, housing, and daily care determine productivity. Then we'll go into the farrowing pen to see how newborn calves are cared for in the crucial first hours of life. From there, we'll follow the milk into the milking parlor and cheese factory, where controlled temperatures, enzymes, and stretchers transform warm milk into soft, elastic mozzarella. Finally, we'll tour the meat processing line, where precision equipment portions, chills, and packages buffalo meat for export. As we begin our journey from muddy fields to high-tech production lines, here's a question for you. Do you think buffalo milk or buffalo meat contributes more to today's global market? If you believe it's milk, comment 1. If you think it's meat, comment 0. And subscribe to the channel so you can follow the whole cycle as we explore the next stages of buffalo farming and processing. On buffalo farms, daily care is the starting point of the entire production chain. Even though buffaloes look strong and low maintenance, their productivity depends on a controlled system of feeding, housing, and comfort. Most of this comes from roughage such as rice straw or hay collected after harvest. Using large baling machines, farmers compress leftover straw into 661, 882 pounds bales and store them to bridge the gap when fresh grass is limited. Roughage, however, cannot fully support high milk yield. To meet energy needs, dairy buffaloes receive an extra 1 to 3 kilograms of concentrated feed, often based on grains or byproducts from local industries. In many regions, tall elephant grass is also planted as a key forage crop. After cutting, the grass is chopped and packed into long silage pits, where it ferments under airtight conditions. This silage becomes an important reserve, allowing farms to maintain relatively stable milk production during dry or cold seasons when pasture quality drops. Digestion is one of the buffalo's most remarkable advantages. As ruminants, they have a multi-chambered stomach and can bring partially digested feed back up to chew it again. Their rumen can hold more than 100 liters of fibrous material, enabling them to use coarse forages that would be almost useless for many other animals. A buffalo lying quietly in the shade, eyes half closed and chewing slowly, is not being lazy, it is finishing one of the most important steps in its digestive process. One of the most characteristic habits of buffaloes is wallowing in mud. A thick coat of mud helps regulate body temperature and forms a natural barrier against flies and other biting insects. On hot days, herds often move quickly toward ponds or mud pits as soon as they are released from the barn. If they are kept away from water and mud for too long, heat stress rises, feed intake drops, and both milk and meat yield can be affected. Through nutrition, digestion, and natural behaviors, buffaloes build the biological base for everything that happens later in the factory. The way farmers manage feed, water, shade, and movement on the farm eventually shows up in the quality of milk and meat that will be processed into cheese and premium cuts. La reproducción es una de las etapas más cuidadosamente gestionadas en la cría de búfalos. El periodo de gestación dura entre 310 y 320 días, por lo que los agricultores vigilan de cerca a cada hembra preñada a medida que se acerca el parto. Unos días antes del nacimiento aparecen señales sutiles. La ubre se hincha, la madre se muestra más inquieta y suele apartarse del rebaño para buscar un lugar tranquilo. Estos instintos ayudan a reducir el estrés y facilitan el proceso de parto. La mayoría de los alumbramientos son naturales y duran entre 30 y 90 minutos. Una vez que el ternero llega al suelo, la madre lo lame instintivamente para limpiarlo, estimular la respiración y ayudarlo a ponerse de pie durante su primera hora de vida. Durante las primeras 6 horas, el objetivo más importante es asegurarse de que el recién nacido beba calostro. Esta leche espesa y rica en anticuerpos refuerza la inmunidad mucho más eficazmente que la leche normal y protege al ternero en sus días más vulnerables. Después de recibir el calostro, el ternero se traslada a un corral limpio con una cama de paja seca, donde los agricultores pueden controlar la respiración, la postura y la temperatura corporal. Los recién nacidos son sensibles al frío y a la humedad, por lo que mantener un entorno seco y sin corrientes de aire es fundamental. Los agricultores también desinfectan el ombligo para prevenir infecciones. La alimentación comienza casi de inmediato. Durante la primera semana, los terneros reciben 2 o 3 tomas de leche al día, normalmente mediante biberón o máquinas de alimentación, con un consumo total equivalente. Milking marks the transition from farm management to food production, and every detail matters. Only buffaloes that have been lactating for at least 5 to 7 days are brought into the milking area. Workers begin by washing and disinfecting the udder with warm water, a simple step that greatly reduces the risk of bacteria reaching the milk. Modern milking machines then take over, using gentle rhythmic suction designed to imitate a calf. Once collected, milk flows directly into a stainless steel tank and is cooled to about 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid drop in temperature keeps the milk stable for transport to the cheese plant. Buffalo milk is naturally pure white and richer in fat and protein than cow's milk, which is why it is ideal for mozzarella. At the factory, the milk enters a closed intake system where technicians test fat, protein, and microbial counts. Approved batches are transferred into large steel vats holding up to several thousand liters. Pasteurization follows. The milk is heated briefly to around 161.6 degrees Fahrenheit, then quickly cooled again to preserve flavor while ensuring safety. Next comes coagulation, the moment when milk begins turning into cheese. The milk is warmed to about 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit and rennet is added. Within 20 to 30 minutes, a soft curd forms. Workers cut the curd into small pieces to release whey, then gently reheat the mixture so the curd firms and gains the structure needed for stretching. Stretching is the defining stage of mozzarella making. The curd pieces are placed in hot water around 185–194 degrees Fahrenheit until they soften. Using paddles or automated arms, the curd is pulled and folded repeatedly, transforming into a smooth, elastic mass. This texture is the hallmark of true buffalo mozzarella. The stretched cheese is then shaped into balls, usually 0.22–0.331 pounds each, and cooled in cold water to stabilize its structure. Finally, the mozzarella is packed in brine, sealed, and stored at low temperatures to maintain its signature softness and shine. From the milking parlor to the shaping machines, each step preserves the unique qualities of buffalo milk and turns it into one of the most distinctive fresh cheeses in the world. Meat processing begins the moment buffaloes arrive at the plant. They are given time to rest so their muscles relax, helping improve tenderness and color. Technicians check body temperature, breathing, and overall condition. Any animal that fails health standards is removed immediately to ensure food safety. After inspection, the carcasses move into the automated processing line. Mechanical blades divide the body into major sections while workers remove the hide, organs, and excess fat. This combination of machinery and skilled labor allows the plant to work quickly while keeping cuts uniform and clean. Once the main parts are separated, the meat enters the trimming and grading stage. Here, lean portions are sorted according to color, fat levels, and size. Larger pieces are prepared for industrial kitchens, while smaller cuts and thin slices are shaped for supermarkets and restaurants. Buffalo meat is valued in many regions for its deep red color and lower fat content compared to beef. Freezing is one of the most important steps. The trimmed cuts are placed in blast freezers set to about 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit, where they remain for roughly 72 hours. This deep freeze cycle locks in freshness, stops microbial activity, and preserves texture during transport. Without this step, the meat would not meet international safety requirements. After freezing, each piece is vacuum sealed in durable packaging to prevent moisture loss and contamination. Labels showing weight, origin, and quality standards are added, and the products are placed into insulated boxes. From there, they move into cold storage areas until shipping begins. Most of the boxed meat is transported to markets in the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where buffalo meat is an important source of affordable protein. Modern logistics systems keep temperatures stable throughout the entire journey, allowing the meat to travel long distances without compromising quality. Through careful inspection, precision cutting, and strict temperature control, buffalo processing plants turn each animal into a wide range of safe, high-quality products. The goal is consistent: transform raw livestock into dependable food for global markets while maintaining efficiency and hygiene at every step. From quiet pastures to stainless steel processing lines, the buffalo's journey shows how a traditional farm animal can become the backbone of a modern food industry. Each stage, feeding, reproduction, milking, cheese making, and meat processing, builds on the one before it, turning simple raw materials into high-value products that travel across the world. On the farm, balanced nutrition, access to shade and mud, and careful handling keep animals healthy and productive. In the calving area, timely colostrum and clean housing shape the strength of the next generation. During milking, hygiene and consistent routines protect milk quality. Inside the cheese plant, precise control of temperature, enzymes, and stretching turns rich white milk into mozzarella with a unique texture and flavor. In the meat plant, inspection, trimming, freezing, and packaging ensure that every cut meets safety and quality standards. What connects these steps is the idea that good products start long before they reach the shelf. A buffalo calmly chewing its cud, a well-managed feed ration, a correctly set milking machine, or a properly calibrated freezer all leave their mark on the final cheese or steak. When these details are managed well, the system becomes more efficient and more sustainable, using every part of the animal with purpose. Today, buffalo milk, mozzarella, and meat provide protein and income for millions of people in different regions. As technology advances, the role of the buffalo continues to shift from a symbol of traditional agriculture to a key player in high-tech food chains. Understanding this full cycle from muddy ponds to packaged products helps us see that behind every piece of cheese and every cut of meat is a long, carefully managed story of work, knowledge, and adaptation.